You all set?
Yep.
Anything else on the checklist?
The vacuum, amps, fuel,
Yep, I checked
oil,
all that.
idle, throttle.
Okay, takeoff list.
Full throttle.
Okay.
2700 RPM.
Yep.
Manifold pressure.
Yep.
Oil pressure.
Yep.
Rotate.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay.
Here we go, switching to tower. And Kenosha Tower, Cardinal 737 Whiskey Pop, holding short, 7 left, ready for departure.
Cardinal 737 Whiskey Papa, Kenosha Tower, enter left traffic, 7 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left, and left traffic, 7 Whiskey Papa. All right, flaps 10, strobes are on. Camera is recording. Clear on the left. There we go. Engines alive. Gauges are in the green. Looking for 65. There's 65. Calm as can be. They're bringing our prop back to 25 for the noise. Flaps up. Gear would be up, but we're leaving them down right now. Put our landing light on, so other people can see us. Gonna lower the nose here. Woo! Little negative G. Looks good. Everything's looking good. Start our turn. House off to our right there. You have to follow the roads and over there. See the red? Look out this window, Lily.
Yeah, I
see it.
Yeah. The lights take focus? Probably not.
Ooh, a little too high here. Gotta slow her down.
Focus.
Got a little high there. Gears down.
737 Whiskey Papa, 7 left, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, 7 was popping. Gears down, fuel, doors are locked, looking good, over the highway here, still descending nicely, another notch of flops in there, prop's gonna start coming in. turn here, keeping our speed up. Four whites, we're high, there's one red. We need two reds and two whites, and that's perfect. Okay, we're right here. Looking good, Lily. There's our two reds. Start easing our nose up. Right on the glide path. Ten.